Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. Hello crafty friends, I'm so glad you could join me. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So this is the card I'll be making for you, and this is a top folding A2 size note card. And then I'm going to be using these two pieces of pattern paper, and I created this thank you greeting out of a die that came in the SCT Sampler monthly subscription for October of 2022. Now these are some Spellbinders rectangle dies I'm going to use. Now guys, I've had these for a long time, so you may not be able to find them anymore, perhaps on eBay or Etsy or something like that, but this is a dilemma I have. Should I use supplies that I've had in my craft room for a long time, even though you guys may not be able to get your hands on them? I do know that some of you probably already have them in your supplies. So let me know down below in the comments whether you think I should continue to use old supplies or only focus on new supplies. Okay, so I'm just going to use some of this scrapbook.com mint tape to adhere this to the paper so I can run it through my die cutting machine. Now with these particular dies, what happens is the outer one will cut out the rectangle and the inner one will just leave those little dot perforations, so you have a decorative border all the way around your paper. Alrighty, so I'm going to put that on my card base later. Right now I'm just trimming this piece because I only wanted that little peach colored striped pattern paper there to put in the back, kind of mat that thank you. And then these little flowers are from a Spellbinders die set. I'll leave all the links down below, guys, and the names of the products that I used. I don't have it right off the top of my head, but it's one of the, I think it's the Be Bold die set from Spellbinders that I cut those little flowers out of. But check down below, I'll have that for you. Okay, and then this is some pink pattern paper. And this pattern are some pink solid paper, and this is the Astrobrights collection. Sorry, Astrobrights collection that I purchased at Walmart when I was there shopping, and it comes with peach and pink and two different grays, and I like it a lot, so I've been using it in my card making lately. And so this is the layout of my card. I'm going to have those two flowers in that thank you. I center it a little bit more on the card when I'm put it all together. But it's a pretty simple card. It's lots of fun to do. And I love the SCT Sampler, guys. I pay for it with my own money. They don't pay me to do this. I'm just doing this on my own because I think it's such a great little kit for like about 15-16 bucks a month, something like that. You can get this kit delivered to you every month. And the great thing about it is it always has reusable items, like sometimes it's stamps or sometimes it's stencils. It varies from month to month, but the great thing about it is you can really build up your supplies by doing this, and it always has the pattern paper in it, and so it's pretty cool. And then the SCT magazine always creates a die, and lots of different word dies. It's been this particular year, I don't know what it's been in the past or what it'll be in the future, but this year it's been word dies. So this time around for October of 2022 it was thank you, and you get the word die and you also get the shadow die, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just using some Tombow Mono liquid adhesive here to put these flowers down. And one of the things that's great about Tombow Mono, I don't know if you guys know or not, but it's kind of like that tacky glue. What'll happen is if you let it dry, it'll, you can reposition it, and that's kind of cool. I like that. All right, so here's the thank you die that I was speaking of earlier that came in the SCT Sampler, and I just cut the words out of the peach colored paper and I backed it with the pink colored paper, but I wanted to put one more layer on top of the thank you that's already down because I just wanted it to stand out a little bit more. So I'm just using this is some other glue that I purchased with those little bottles that have the very tiny nozzle, so it makes it easier for you to put it on your smaller areas like these word dies and such. I think I got it on Amazon, I'm not sure, but anyway, you know how when you find a good crafty deal, you just get it and then use it. So I use Amazon a lot because they have some good deals. All right, so that is the card for today, guys. Quick and easy and simple. If you liked it, please, give me a like and a subscribe. And I hope you had fun and got encouraged to create something of your own. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.